Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this part of the overhaul, we're going to start on the main menu script. First thing, let's come right to the top. We'll open and close the square type of brackets. We'll add inside require component, open and close normal brackets this time, type of open and close brackets again, inside audio source. We'll just add a quick comment. So we'll just say attach audio source when attaching the script, and then we'll come to the variables, and there's going to be a lot of extra variables we're going to create. So we'll come at the top, and yeah, we can make these type private, type float, underscore main menu, and we want fade value. Close the line off, into the comments, defines fade value, and we've just got to keep going. These are going to be of type private float again, underscore main menu, and we'll say fade speed. Let's give this a value. I'm going to use 0.33f and close the line off. Into the comments, defines fade speed. You can obviously add more to these comments if you wish. Now we're going to change to, in fact I'll create a line break here. Private bool underscore main menu fade in. Close the line off. Into the comments we'll say defines if we are fading the, yeah, we'll put main menu in. Let's just copy and paste that line. We're obviously going to change in to out. We'll also do the same in the comments. And yeah, let's create another line break. Private bool underscore, and we'll say starting game, close the line off. Now you can obviously change these to public when we come to testing the script, if you wish to see them working in the inspector. But in the comments for this line, we're going to say defines if we are starting a new game. Below private bool underscore quitting game. Close the line off. In the comments, defines if we are quitting the game. And one last private bool underscore access options. Close the line off. And again in the comments, defines if we are accessing the game options. Just fix that little typo. And let's have a look. So we'll come to, we definitely need more GUI. variables. So let's come here. We'll leave the GUI skin, texture 2D. Go change this to main menu background. And we'll come below here. And actually, in fact, let's go ahead, because this will make it easier if we copy underscore main menu background. We'll just paste it in everywhere there's a red error. That looks like the only place. Then we'll come back and create another public. Another of texture 2D underscore main menu, and let's just use title. Close the line off into the comments. Create slot in inspector to assign our main menu title. And as always, these should make more sense when we actually come to actually doing some scripting below, where we actually use these variables. Hopefully it should all become apparent. Let's have a look at the audio clips. We definitely need to change some of these. And we'll come at the top first. I think we'll create of type audio audio source underscore main menu, and we will just use audio source. Close the line off into the comments, defines naming convention for the audio source. So let's have a look. Start audio. We're going to change these, I think. And let's have a look. We'll change this to start button audio. We'll just copy and paste it in there for now. We'll change this to quit button audio. And we're actually going to do something else with the buttons. A lot of people, at least the ones I've spoke to, believe that you need to use the new GUI features for things like button hovering if you want to sound play. But that's not the case. You can do that in code. And because these are coding tutorials, that's what we're going to use. We're going to do it in code. Because, and I still may come back, as I've said to my replies to comments, and use the new GUI features at a much later date, probably when the tutorial is finished, in the sense that we've overhauled it and all the features are in place, which will be a long time away as it is, just because of the amount of features I had planned and have been requested. But I think that most people are capable of looking online and using them features for themselves. I mean, I'm quite happy to go through it for anybody who is struggling. But I've always said these are for coding. So if I can teach you how to do something in code, I will do. So that is what we're going to do, but that will probably be in maybe not the next video, but the video after, because it probably will take in fact probably 3 lessons at least to get this script fully updated. So with that said, and in fact, we'll copy one of the button lines. So let's paste that in between. And in my case, I've used the start. I'm going to change start to options. And we'll remember to change the comment as well. So what else do we need? We obviously do need the hover audio. And yeah, I'll put this at the bottom, I think, for now. So let's give this a naming convention of underscore hover on. Yeah, hover on button audio. And we'll also change the comment as well. And I think that's all the variables we'll need for now. And let's just come and copy the new quit button naming convention. Let's paste that in. And we are going to overhaul all of this as well. So again, please don't worry about it if it looks untidy at the moment. We're coming back to that. That's all the variables we need in place, and we'll pick this up in the very next lesson. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.